Friends, open PicsArt app. Now tap on this plus icon on the center. Now select the background option. Now select the white color and now tap on tools. Select the crop option and select the portrait option in the center. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to FX. Select the simple option and scroll to the left. Now I have to select the Loma option. Tap on settings, decrease amount to 0 and decrease vignette a little bit. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, scroll up and select add photo and select the standing pose model image. Now this model image, tap on cutout, select the brush option, increase the hardness, draw only on model image, okay, don't draw outside, only on model image. Now tap on tick mark and this is the output. Now arrange this standing pose model image in the center like I am doing in the video. And the next step, go to add photo and select another portrait model image and I am rotating it to the right side. Now same procedure, go to cutout option. Now select the brush option, increase the hardness and draw on the model. The PNG link in the description, you can go and download there, or you can visit ciedits.com in the Google. Okay, now arrange it like this perfectly. Now decrease little opacity so you can find where we are posting this position of the model image. Now, tap on layers, tap on move down and decrease the opacity to around 50 and scroll up and select the adjust option. Now tap on saturation, decrease the saturation to -100. Now next step, tap on tick mark, select the eraser option, tap on eraser and you have to erase on the left side portion. You can see I am going to erase like this. It is perfect. Erase like this. Now tap on eraser. Okay, tap on eraser, sorry, and now tap on eraser and you have to decrease the hardness and you have to decrease the opacity like I am doing in the video and erase on the bottom portion like this. Now after in perfectly, you have to tap on tick mark. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick. Next go to add photo and select the shadow PNG and arrange under the model like this, model foot. Now tap on move down. It is perfect, you can see. Now tap on tick mark. And the next step, go to add photo and select for the PNGs. This is like PNG. Use Instagram logo PNG. Rotate it like this, stretch it. Okay, arrange it on the left side portion of the model image. This is just for the stylish look. Decrease the opacity by using right side tool, opacity tool, and you have to arrange it like I am doing in the video. Tap on blend option, tap on screen, and you will have to arrange on the right side stylish effect. And then next step, go to add photo and select further PNGs. This is scissor PNG and arrange on the right side top. Tap on this Instagram love PNG, arrange on the bottom portion like this. After arranging, you have to arrange it perfectly, decrease little opacity. Okay, arrange it like this. You have to tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange under on the left side portion between Instagram logo and model stamp model image. Decrease opacity. You can see it is perfect. Arrange it to the model image and you have to arrange perfectly to the look of the model image. Now tap on it. Friends, this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you really enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next video.